Here is our Firebase database containing data of the traffic light system, and it contains 6 previous data. Now we are going to show the system hardware. The system is running normally. As you can see, this is opening consecutive lanes, and now we are this is the vehicle device. We are entering the as ambulance, and switch 1 pressed, so that it requires lane number 1. Now the system is halted and lane number 1 is opened. Now the car is passing through the lane number 1, and the normal procedure resumed. Now see the database. Here is the 7th data. This is entry time, exit time, lane number, and the vehicle type. Thank you.